Okay, now it's time to reverse pressure on this thing. Right now we're still pulling vacuum. It's been about 10 minutes. I gave it about 12 minutes, but now we're gonna reverse this thing and actually push pressure onto this bubble. So take this thing out. It's gonna hiss a little bit. Pull it to the very top. Okay, now we're pulled to the very top. Put the device back in here hard, and you want to press it hard because now you're going to be actually producing a pressure with a syringe. Okay, I got it in here pretty hard. Push it down to the second notch there, and I'll turn this a little bit to make it camera friendly. There we are. Let's push it hard, go down to the second notch. There's the first notch, and it's trying to grip on there. Second notch. I don't feel much pressure at the second notch. A little bit. Not much. Okay, I'm going to try it once again. I'm not feeling much pressure, so I'm going to take it out. All the way up. Down. Press it hard. And hold out this clip. Down to the second notch. And let it sit for 20 minutes. Alright, so thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and they say tap it a bit here. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Not that that's going to help much, but... Okay, so now 20 minutes under pressure here. Let's take a look and see what the thing looks like. Inside the car. I don't expect much with this. This thing is such a big hole. So... yeah, it doesn't look too good. It's still going to be a big hole. But that's the way it goes, people. Thank you for watching.